Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum 1782, and trust me, if you have pets, this might be a game changer. So first things first, this is a cordless handheld vacuum, which means no wires, no hassle, and you can literally clean anywhere, your sofa, bed, stairs, and even your car. Now let's talk power. This vacuum runs on a 14.4V lithium-ion battery, giving you about 12 minutes of runtime on a full charge. Yeah, it's not super long, but honestly, it's perfect for quick cleanups like pet hair and crumbs. Backhand index pointing right paws. Imagine your dog just left fur all over your couch. Instead of bringing a full vacuum, you just grab this and boom, done in minutes. Now the best part, the motorized brush tool. This thing is specifically designed to pull out embedded pet hair from fabric, not just surface dirt. That means it actually digs into your sofa, carpet, and upholstery. You also get crevice tool for tight corners, car seats. Upholstery tool perfect for sofas and cushions. And yes, you can even combine attachments for better cleaning flexibility. Backhand index pointing right paws. Quick question. Have you ever tried removing pet hair with your hand? Yeah, it's frustrating. This saves time and effort. Now let's talk usability. Lightweight and portable. Easy one-button operation. Bagless dirt bin, easy to empty. Charging takes about 5 hours, so it's something you keep ready rather than use continuously. Magnifying glass tilted left, real talk, honest review. Heavy checkmark, great for pet hair, car interiors, furniture. Crossmark, not ideal for deep cleaning entire house. Long continuous use, short battery. Backhand index pointing right, final pause. If you're a pet owner, this is more of a quick clean weapon, not a full vacuum replacement. So overall, for the price, portability, and pet hair performance, this is definitely worth considering. Hey guys,